What is up, everyone? This is More Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your internet connection if it may be causing issues. So let's get right into this. So I'm going to show you a very few quick things that you can do to basically fix this. So the first thing you should do is go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. Once you click into this, right click into what you're connected into. So I'm connected via Ethernet, but if you're connected via Wi-Fi, same thing, right click into it and click into properties. In here, you want to basically click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and go to properties. You want to change it from automatic to manual, your DNS server basically, and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK and close that out. This should be the first thing you should do and see if this fixes it for you. If not, the next thing you should do is go to your search bar again, type in CMD, and run as administrator. In here, you're going to do two commands. First is ipconfig /flush DNS, and is going to say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the second one is netsh winsock reset. Let's do it. And it's going to say successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Basically, once you do these two commands, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you should not have any internet connections persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the thumb. If you guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.